Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maryam. As you can tell, I have a very special guest here with me today. My super cute little brother, Rashid. He just turned 11 the other day. What are you gonna be doing today?
I'm gonna be doing
my makeup. That's right. Are you ready to beat my face to perfection?
Yes.
Am I gonna be looking so gorgeous I can go on the red carpet and slay some photos?
Yes.
Boom. If you guys are into this sort of thing, then give us a thumbs up. If you love us, leave us some comments. Don't forget to subscribe, all that good stuff. And let's get to this. My little brother does my makeup tutorial. Okay, so since we are here, do you have any idea what kind of a look you're gonna be doing on my face today?
Foundation.
Am I gonna be looking as flawless as you? Because I'm a little embarrassed sitting next to this 11-year-old skin that's glowing. Before foundation, you know I need my primer. Do you know what that is?
Like I said, I have no experience with makeup.
But you're a good artist, so you'll figure it out. Let's go to my primer drawer. I don't know, you pick. Which one's looking good to you? Ooh, Dr. BRANDT. He knows what he's talking about. My face is ready to be beaten by your little fingers. Do a little squeeze right here. Apply it to my face. Nice. How does my skin feel?
Soft and squishy.
Still young and vibrant?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks. Such a good brother.
Yes, I am. For now.
Oh boy. My sister's here as well. You might hear her cackle a few times. You might even see her. Foundation drawer is right here. Pick any one that you like. Oh, I knew you were gonna go for that one. Yes. Hourglass Vanish stick. Boom. Oh gosh. Cool. Here. He's cheating. He's getting help. I actually hardly ever get my makeup done, so it's a nice treat. Thank you for this. You need to close this. This is a very expensive stick. How are we gonna make this look all blended?
I will use the egg.
Shh. How's it looking?
It's looking...
Is it making my skin look more like yours?
Hopefully.
The shade. You're such an artiste. I love how you just swiveled my chair. It's very professional of you. Do you know what the term beat your face means?
No.
It literally means that you take this egg and you just beat the face, like harder. Yeah, there you go. What's the hardest thing about makeup?
This.
This? You haven't even gotten to the eyes though. Doo, 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 doo. You're such a perfectionist. This does feel kind of nice. I'm gonna hire him. Oh my god, your face right now is so funny. So what are you thinking about?
Nothing.
Nothing at all? You're just completely blank?
Yes.
Just thinking about how beautiful this makeup look is turning out?
Well, I just think the foundation. It looks satisfying.
You're satisfied with this look?
Yes. I mean, I like the forehead a lot.
The forehead is good?
Yeah.
Hmm? I'm gonna try not to peek at the mirror, even though I have mirrors all around me, but I'm trying to avoid them so hard right now because I really want to be surprised at the end. I have this little pimple right here. Can you make sure to cover that up? Mm-hmm. Thanks. So do you think makeup art is a form of art?
I think, yeah.
What do you want to do next?
Tell me, guys, what do you think she needs?
We have eyes, we have concealer, we have lips, we have blush, highlighter, bronzer, we have lashes. So much!
Please help. I'll just go with lipstick.
What color lipstick would you like?
I'll just go for regular, like red.
Gloss or matte?
Gloss.
How about some lip liner? Yeah? Okay.
Yay. I'm sorry. I'm just really sorry.
Are we gonna go to sushi like this?
Yes.
What if I see some of my followers and subscribers? Are you gonna take responsibility for my face?
Yes.
You're such a good brother. Okay, continue. Don't remove that foundation.
I'm trying not to.
So now, would you like some gloss to top off this sexy liner?
Sure, you don't want like a lipstick or just like a liquid gloss? Just a liquid gloss.
Just hearing you say liquid gloss is kind of hilarious. Say it again.
Liquid gloss.
So this is what Hanifa picked out for us. PATRICK STARRR X MAC.
Love you, Patrick.
She loves you.
Okay.
I'm cheating for you.
Thank you, but I'm trying not to get it on your teeth. Man, that's really red. I think I'm doing a little good job, maybe not. but hopefully.
Remember, I have to meet my followers and subscribers with this look. So you better be doing a great job. Does this help? Is it working?
Kinda.
Oh, you're outlining my lippies. Yes, give me those Patrick Starrr lips.
I'm sorry, Patrick Starrr. Like Maryam said, she needs to meet her followers.
To make sure I look really good for them, right?
I'll just deal with that later. It looks better.
This is where my concealer is. Pick whichever one you like.
Use Tarte Shape Tape.
Yes. Yes, please use Tarte Shape Tape.
Don't tell him which one it is.
Oh wow, he picked it up. He knows exactly which one it is. You watch my videos?
Okay, I remember Illuminati shape. I'll just do something creative. That's how you do it. Yes, bro.
How am I looking so far, guys? Comment down below.
Flawless.
I woke up like this.
An egg.
You're only the second person on my channel to do my makeup. The first person was Kristen Leanne.
That's cool.
I'm gonna link that video up here for you guys, just in case you're interested. Oh yeah, yeah. How's that concealer coming through?
Well, it's going out great. I put a lot like right here, so I'll have to like blend it down.
Well, at least you know the terminology.
Let me compare this one to that one. Oh God, I got some on your... Thank you, this is even easier.
You could probably use like little circular motions to spread it out. Yeah, come through. How's it looking on this side? Little sketchy sketch?
Probably, yeah.
You're done? Amazing. What do you want to do next? Eyes, brows, highlighter, or eyeshadow?
You know, I have nightmares of eyeshadow.
You're such a good bro, putting everything back for me. So pick some up, boom.
Wow.
You're really focusing on the skin a lot. Am I looking more tan? Is my skin looking more like yours?
I think yours is much tanner.
Let's compare. Be careful not to get that brush into my lips.
I'm trying not to. Alright.
Do you want to go for a neutral look or for a fun, vibrant look? Or do you just want to do cat eyeliner?
Cat eye.
Cat eye, yes.
We're just gonna use the Smashbox. It's called Smashbox eyeliner.
Oh, the color's called Black Rose. That's fun.
This will be pretty interesting.
This should be easy for you because you have a really good hand and you're an artist. All you have to do is just draw a straight line and then a wing. Ooh, I like that wing. That's pretty good.
Oh God. It's really hard when you move your eye.
I'm sorry. Okay. I'm gonna try to stay really still.
I'll need to fix that other eye. See, it's really easy with this eye. Just need to fix some few stuff.
I'm about to fall asleep, I swear. How am I looking? Jazzy?
Boom.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. Really easy to come off than the lipstick. But I'll need to fix that cat eye on your right eye. Not this, well, also your left eye. No.
Honestly, it's pretty therapeutic getting your makeup done by an 11-year-old. I'm not really thinking about anything. It's just putting me in a good mood. We should do this every day. Would you actually be interested in learning makeup for real?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, if you train him, he can do my makeup for prom.
Imagine that. You could do your sister's prom makeup.
That would be cool.
So if you were an actual good makeup artist, whose makeup would you like to do the most?
I would do... I don't know. There's a lot of people who are women in this world. So honestly, I just don't know.
Okay, so you're good with this one, right?
Both of them I need to be good with. All I need to do is just make it straighter and then we're done.
I don't think there's an 11-year-old boy in the world who, when faced with a makeup challenge, would try to do as much work as you're actually doing right now. I feel like you're really taking this super seriously.
I am.
You're just like me.
Yay!
We always need everything to be just the way that we like it.
Really? Perfectionist? Have you seen his room?
The shade. I would love for you to do my eyebrows.
I chose this Benefit Foolproof brow powder. Yeah, Benefit. I see you. You see me. I see you.
When you laugh, I laugh. So
you could use the other end of the brush to brush it out. If it's too much product, you could just brush like this. You look so concentrated.
that's nice, dear.
Do you think Papa will be proud of this makeup look? All right, let's go with GALifornia.
What is this brush for again?
For her cheeks.
Oh.
I'm ready.
Ooh, rosy.
Is it looking good?
Yeah, it looks rosy.
Looks really pretty?
Yes.
Oh, why are you spreading it all the way down? Keep it on my apples. Yeah. I told you to watch my makeup tutorials.
I did, but they looked pretty easy, but what I'm doing is pretty hard. Like, you always use different tools, and I cannot figure out which one is which.
I think the last thing that is left is highlighter. So you just pick any one of those. Show gold. Ooh, pretty. The highlighter goes on the highest points of my face, which are the highest points of my face. My cheekbones, duh! See, when we smile, this lifts up. Boom. Is it glowing?
Yes.
And a little bit on my nose bridge, even though I don't have a nose bridge. We're gonna pretend like it's there. Thanks. So that's it. This is the final look. I am gonna grab a mirror.
Oh.
Oh, honey. It's a real one in your reflection. Without a follow, without a mention. Oh, yes. Come through wing. The highlight is looking good, though. Honestly, I don't think you did such a bad job. Although you've never done it before and it was your first time, and I know it was difficult. You rose up to the challenge, and I think you delivered. Yeah! Now let's see what Lee thinks. So, Lee, what do you think of my makeup?
He did an amazing job. I love the dragon eye.
What? Focus? No, it doesn't want to focus. Oh, that's my phone. Thank you guys so much for watching and for subscribing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am definitely going to be challenging Lee and maybe my dad and maybe my sister to do my makeup next. Let us know who you want to see attempt this challenge and we'll make it happen. I love you guys. Mwah!